We are in Portugal, in Porto da Balsa radio astronomy station managed by Telecommunications Institute of Aveiro. Telecommunications Institute has a 9-meter radio telescope used for 5 GHz radio astronomy and space debris measurements. Here we just installed a Spider 500A radio telescope with 5-meter diameter antenna to let them capture 1420 MHz radio waves coming from space. The large parabolic antenna comes with a 1420 MHz optimized feed with a dual LNA unit for circular left and right polarizations. The antenna is installed on the large WP400 weatherproof computerized mount that allows the use of the radio telescope also in windy conditions. The radio telescope is remotely operated from the control room, where we installed our radio astronomy receiver and a computer with Radio Universe Pro software. In the control room, we installed the mount, power and control unit, the H1421 receiver for radio astronomy and the computer with Radio Universe Pro software, so the operator is able to remotely control the radio telescope and collect data coming from space.